Today's gig is a wedding event happening here at Agape Springs Farm and Rest House in Dasmariñas, Cavite. We'll be setting up basic lights and sound for both the ceremony and the reception. In this video, I'll show you how I used the Disco 240 light controller, how I adapted the fixture addressing, and how I was able to create lighting chases quickly, even under time pressure. The reason I chose the Disco 240 is because I need to program it for an upcoming gig. The big question is, can the programming be done on time knowing we're already racing against the clock? So come and join us on this gig. And before we start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to help our channel grow. Before we headed to the venue, we made a quick stop at the car dealership where we were officially awarded the original documents of our vehicle, since today marks the day we finally completed all the payments. It's truly a blessing because this is something we worked hard for and built over a long period of time. Agape Springs Farm and Rest House, located in Dasmariñas, Cavite, is a peaceful private venue surrounded by lush greenery and natural spring pools. With its calm countryside atmosphere, it's a perfect location for weddings, family gatherings, and special events, offering a relaxing escape just outside the city.
Check a sound check.
Before the event starts, I activate the AFS2 on the main output. I set a few filters in fixed mode to catch the most problematic frequencies during sound check. This helps lock in the feedback points before the audience arrives.
Check a sound check. Check. Check a sound check. Check a sound check. Check a sound check. Testing mic check. A sound check. Testing mic check. A sound check.
And now, let's start programming our Disco 240 light controller. First, I took note of the existing DMX addresses of the fixtures, so there was no need to change or readdress them on the lights themselves. Next, I deleted the existing programmed chases so I could replace them with a new lighting program for our setup.
We'll also be testing our newly purchased EBL high-power AA rechargeable batteries. Here's our old EBL battery, rated 2800 milliamps. You can see the difference in appearance, but the quality is the same. These batteries are reliable for events like this, so we can trust them to keep our gear running smoothly.
Check, testing mic, check, hey. Okay, sound check. Check, testing mic, check, hey, sound check. Testing mic, check.
kapatid at kaibigan, tayo ay nagkatipon ngayon sa harapan ng ating Diyos at ng kapulungan ito upang saksihan at ipagdiwang ang pag-iisang dibdib ni James at ni Sheila sa isang banal at Kristiyanong kasalan.
And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video and got some inspiration on how we manage our time during setup. Thank you so much to everyone who watched until the end. Your support is the reason we create videos like this, so you can learn and pick up tips from our gigs. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share this video to help our channel grow. See you in the next video, guys. God bless.